Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, we do laser engraving here at Mr. Postman Print Shop. No big deal. Love it. Engraving some bricks right now for Pearson Company. There's what it looks like. Pretty good, pretty good. Pretty stoked about it. We've also got the fiber up and running as well. Complete with the rotary action, some engraving, tested on different types of material. So, you know, just having a little fun with it today. Okay, but really today's video is not about lasering, but we did have a project that we're doing everything for this conference, including t-shirts for this conference. We're doing tote bags for them, notepads, pins. We're doing the lanyards. And that's what today's video is about. The lanyards for this conference. We wanted to outsource them. We knew we weren't going to be able to get them back in time. And so we had to figure out a way to do this in-house. We hardly ever run our sublimation printer. And so Chelsea got on the internet, found some videos of how people put together these lanyards out here. And so we put it together and got it figured out. And our price margins for this really suck. We're not charging enough to do it and to do it this way. But you live and you learn. I think we could price this fairly in the future. And it came out pretty good. So here's some footage of us putting together some lanyards. Oh yeah.
Glamorous of shots.
Three hours later.
I don't have nails. And then I stuck that there. Then I get that.
Oh. Okay. Just to give it some thickness.
Yeah, because it was too thin, so this is the only solution, really.
Oh, okay.
And then you fold that over.
Nice.
And then just clamp over. Oops. This one's It has to be in there pretty deep.
Nice.
Could be straighter.
Yeah, and then just
But that's,
trim off a little.
Yeah, and then trim off that part.
Cool. Hey, not too shabby. I'm gonna put this one in the win column. Our client is gonna be super happy. It looks super professional, and we're excited that we were able to figure it out. Even though we're not making a lot of money, the client's gonna love us, and that's all that matters. And it was part of a big order anyway, so there's plenty of profit to be made. But anyways, we could do these now. That's pretty freaking cool. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching our video on our lanyard production process, because we do that here. We make lanyards, of course we do. Yeah, we laser stuff all the time. All the time. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.